Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. And this is the power saving mode icon. And to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon, scroll down, tap on the check mark, and the mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. You have access only to time, date, I believe, and the battery level. And to exit the power saving mode, press and hold the crown button. And after a couple of seconds, you should see normal watch face, which means you turned off the power saving mode. You can also go to the settings, and there you can customize the power saving mode a little. So if we wake up the screen, then press the crown button again to open the menu. Scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Oh, my bad. Settings icon right here, and tap on it. Then scroll down and find the option called battery and tap on it. And here we have normal power saving mode, and you can enable it and disable it. And then we have customized power saving mode. And customized allows you to basically customize your options. So if you tap on it, then tap on the check mark, it will bring you to this menu. And here we can turn on or off the functions during the power saving mode. And we have functions like exercise, heart rate, stress, oxygen level, ambient volume, and sleep. And you can turn them on or off during the power saving mode. And once you're done customizing it, you can tap on the check mark and the mode will be enabled. And to disable it, of course, you need to press and hold the crown button. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.